Hi there. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the Quickbase app Feedback Emotion Miner developed to manage the customer satisfaction surveys and to do sophisticated analysis of the survey submissions that is beneficial to the business. We are a team of 5 who ideated and implemented the Quickbase solution. The surveys are the most powerful tool all over the world to get the feedback about a product or a service from the end customers or clients. This helps to strategize the business or to make changes to the business model, the product or service accordingly. Along with assessing the rating based feedback, there is a trend now to try to assess the customer mood as much possible through many different ways. One of the efficient methods identified is to analyze and derive the customer mood or emotions based on the text feedback provided as part of survey responses. With Quickbase tool being used in many different business verticals and for tons of use cases for automations, it becomes now important to see how the user survey creations can be managed and automated to seek the responses and analyze them more effectively within Quickbase. This is the overview of the solution we have created. With pipelines capability introduced, the customer satisfaction service can be made more configurable and automated to send them periodically to clients or customers and seek responses with the capability of sending multiple reminders automatically in periodic intervals. Along with the emergence of sophisticated text analysis methods using machine learning models, it becomes easy now to derive the sentiment of the customer by providing the feedback text as an input. By integrating it with Quickbase, it will open my read of possibilities to automate many of the analysis of Quickbase data that will add great value to the business. Understanding the psychology of consumers can help product managers and customer success managers to alter their product roadmap with greater precision. This is a small attempt to integrate the ML model predictions seamlessly with Quickbase data by using a readily available sentiment analysis solution. Quickbase APIs and pipelines come handy to achieve it along with the other services like Azure Functions that host the sentiment model code. Let me take you through the application. We have two roles in this application: survey administrator and client user. A survey administrator can add client details, manage the surveys by creating different questionnaire, manage the client stakeholders and other survey parameters. The client user role is assigned to the consumers or the client stakeholders who take the customer satisfaction surveys configured in this Quickbase tool. In this application, multiple clients and client surveys for different products and services can be managed. Adding client surveys with questionnaire is a one-time activity in this app. Based on the time frequency set, the survey creation date is set accordingly, based on which the pipeline create the surveys automatically. The respective client stakeholders who are configured for each service will be notified through emails. Follow-up emails are configured to be sent on weekly basis if a survey is not submitted. The client stakeholders or the customers are configured with access to submit the survey by assigning with the client user role. Python is used for coding the sentiment model code, which is then deployed in Azure Functions, which provides serverless web service setup. After the survey is submitted, a pipeline gets triggered that hits the web service deployed in Azure Functions by making use of make request action. In Python script, Quickbase API is used to query the feedback data entered by the user in survey form. After pre-processing of data, there is a sentiment analyzer model used, which is called Vader, that is doing the natural language processing to derive the sentiment based on textual feedback. Post sentiment analysis, incoming JSON pipeline webhook channel action is used to update the sentiment score back to Quickbase. Quickbase Executive Dashboard is used to visualize the sentiment scores derived using the ML models and the numeric rating entered by the client stakeholders. This solution is created to automate the user satisfaction survey effectively by making them configurable. Through data analysis and visualization tools provided by Quickbase, sentiment scores and rating can be analyzed to get the best possible assessment of customer feedback. It helps in early detection of the change in customers' opinion. This framework can be used in future to develop many other use cases with Quickbase as a backend as well as front-end solution with machine learning analysis and artificial intelligence functionality added. Thank you.